Hello. Today I will guide you on how to install the YouTube app on Windows 11. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Step 2. Go to YouTube. You can also type youtube.com in the address bar and press enter. Step 3. Install YouTube. Look at the right side of the address bar and you'll see a computer screen icon with a download button. Hover over it and it will display Install YouTube. Click on this icon and then select Install to proceed with the installation. Step 4. Complete the installation. After installation, YouTube will open automatically. If you close your browser, you'll see the YouTube icon on your desktop. Double-click the icon to open YouTube quickly. That's it. You have successfully installed YouTube on Windows 11. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing.